Hello and welcome to UTech Academy. I am Abhash and in this video we will go through some basic concepts of SAP UI5. We will understand the difference between SAP UI5 and OpenUI5, learn the architecture of a SAP UI5 application, then we will go through the bootstrapping of a SAP UI5 application. We will then cover the MVC architecture and structure of a SAP UI5 application. The basic difference between SAP UI5 and OpenUI5 is the license. OpenUI5 is open source and free to use. SAP UI5 comes with different SAP products like SAP HANA, SAP Cloud Platform. SAP UI5 provides more controls than OpenUI5. You can find both resources at their respective content delivery network. For your reference, the links are mentioned in the description of this video. This is the architecture of a SAP UI5 application. SAP UI5 is a UI framework based on JavaScript, CSS, and HTML. The SAP UI5 application is deployed on a server and runs in the browser of any device, like mobile devices, tablet, or desktop browser. When a SAP UI5 application runs in the browser, a request is sent to the server where it is deployed to load the application in the browser, and the libraries are loaded from the server. And also the data is fetched from the database. Bootstrapping is the loading and initialization of a SAP UI5 application. To run a SAP UI5 application, we need to load and initialize the SAP UI5 library. A typical Bootstrap script looks something like this, where SAP UI core.js file is the standard Bootstrap file, which is loaded first. Along with the standard Bootstrap file, themes and library is also loaded. The SAP UI5 Bootstrap script is used to initialize the SAP UI5 runtime as soon as the script is loaded and executed by the browser. In the last video, we had created a simple SAP UI5 application. In this video, we will go through the structure of the SAP UI5 application. The app router is the entry point of this application. If I expand this folder and go to access app.json, we have defined welcome file in this access app.json. The HTML5 module contains the SAP UI5 application. The web app folder contains the controller, views, component index, and other files. If I open index.html, it contains standard bootstrap script which loads SAP UI core.js file and other files like libraries and themes. The component.js file contains the app descriptor manifest.json file, which contains the configuration of this application. The view defines the UI part of this application, whereas controller defines the logic of this particular view. The mta.yml file contains all the modules that are used in this application, like app router and UI deployer. The package.json contains the dependencies of this application. So this is the overall structure of a SAP UI5 application. This is the end of this video. In the next video, we will see some more concepts of SAP UI5. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. See you soon.